Understanding the phrase, follow-up visit, in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very common but important phrase in the English language. Follow-up visit. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage will greatly enhance your English communication skills. Let's dive in. Follow-up visit is a compound noun that refers to an additional meeting, appointment, or visit that occurs after an initial one. It's primarily used in medical, professional, and academic contexts. For example, after a doctor's appointment, you might schedule a follow-up visit to check on your health progress. This phrase implies that there was a previous interaction and that the upcoming visit is a continuation or a check on the status after the initial meeting. Medical context. In a medical setting, a follow-up visit is crucial. It's often scheduled after a surgery, a medical test, or a treatment plan. During this visit, a doctor assesses the patient's recovery or response to treatment. Professional context. In the workplace, a follow-up visit might refer to a second meeting after a job interview, a project discussion, or a performance review. It's a chance to address any ongoing issues or progress. Academic context. For students, a follow-up visit could mean meeting with a teacher or advisor after an initial discussion about academic performance, project guidance, or career advice. Follow-up visits are important because they ensure continuity of care, support, or communication. They offer an opportunity to evaluate progress, make necessary adjustments, and plan future actions. Understanding and effectively using this phrase can improve your ability to communicate in professional, academic, and medical settings. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of follow-up visit in English. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.